Howdy everyone, I'm Kyle Graves. I'm an intellectual property lawyer. I have a degree in electrical engineering, and I practice patent, trademark, and copyright law. I blog at kylewgraves.com and at spacelawdigest.com. Find me on LinkedIn and connect if you'd like to learn more about what I do. And now, let's get to today's topic. Name, image, and likeness rights. 3 things parents of student athletes need to know. After July 1st, 2021, Texas student athletes are now permitted to monetize their name, image, and likeness under NCAA rules and Texas state law. Parents of many student athletes are likely to have concerns about helping their student navigate the complex new world of contracts, lawyers, marketing departments, and corporate sponsorship. This episode explores 4 things parents should keep in mind as they help their skilled athletes navigate the new and potentially very lucrative opportunities these NCAA rules allow. Number 1, social media is not a conversation. It's a commercial. Sponsored posts, endorsements, or product placements must be clearly marked as an advertisement. Your student athlete is media savvy online and engages both personally and professionally with others there. The Federal Trade Commission, the FTC, has stepped up enforcement against online influencers who blur the line between personal and professional activities. Those influencers who fail to clearly mark paid posts as advertisements risk enforcement action. It is not okay to use social media for both unless the posts are clearly marked, so that then the followers of the athlete are not confused. Number 2, it is easy to accidentally misuse a school logo when you live and work on campus. College students wear a lot of school logo apparel and have branded items in their dorm rooms. Universities have extensive brand guidelines controlling the display of these items in media. Your student athlete should become familiar with these guidelines and be aware of whether branded items are nearby when endorsing products, selling autographs and images, monetizing social media posts, and going about their business online. If your student athlete is endorsing a sports camp, for instance, it might not make the best sense to wear a school-branded hat while making the endorsement. While a good trademark and branding attorney can assist with navigating these issues, the safest and lowest cost route for you and your athlete is to keep school-branded items out of sight when exercising their name, image, and likeness rights. Number 3, student athletes are not free to endorse anything they like. Name, image, and likeness rights vary from state to state. In Texas, a student athlete may not enter a contract to monetize their name, image, or likeness rights if that contract conflicts with a provision of the student athlete's team contract, a provision of an institutional contract of the institution, a policy of the athletic department of the institution, or a provision of the honor code. This can mean that student athletes at some schools are prohibited from endorsing the competitor of a leading sponsor of the university athletics program. At other schools, this could mean that endorsing a legal but controversial nonprofit organization may violate an honor code. There are many unanswered questions about this portion of the new state law. Since every university is different, parents should consult with an attorney skilled in interpreting contracts and encourage their student athlete to think carefully about what brands they want to be associated with. Number 4, good coaching works for business too. The brands and companies approaching your student athlete understand marketing, and they are well represented. Many have worked with influencers before and have good lawyers coaching them. Texas law and the NCAA rules allow student athletes to utilize an agent to assist with name, image, and likeness activities, provided that the student athlete has a written agreement with the agent and a few other provisions are satisfied. Now, representation costs money, but college is a time of uncertainty, change, and growth. Not everyone there has your student athlete's best interests in mind. Just like trainers and coaches help your student athlete achieve athletic performance, a good attorney can coach your student athlete through the competitive branding game that now they are playing off the field. If today's topic got you thinking about something you'd like to discuss directly, visit my website at kylewgraves.com. That's KyleWgraves.com. Or find me on LinkedIn.